Hi everyone, AJ here. Just a very quick video. One of the tools that I'm using to learn web-based application programming is a website called freecodecamp.com. Now on this site, it will take you through the very beginnings of learning HTML and the different HTML tags through to CSS or cascading style sheets. I just went through the first module, which is 5 hours worth of material. No video, but there's reading. You read the left panel here, and then you have your coding window, where you can type your HTML and CSS code here, and then right now in this example we're outputting to an iPhone. So I'll show you the map. So you can see here HTML5 and CSS was a 5-hour module. I completed that. That one was fairly straightforward just because I've used HTML and CSS in my job already. So that was fairly straightforward. Great refresher, and sometimes you don't use all of the elements, so it was a great overview to give me a basis to move forward. So the next module that I'm starting in is responsive design with Bootstrap. That's another 5-hour module, and that's going to take us through how to use Bootstrap. And if you're not familiar with Bootstrap, basically it is a framework, a cascading style sheet framework that allows you to stylize your website, and a lot of the big players out on the web uses Bootstrap to stylize their websites. Let's just take a run through. Then we have Gear Up for Success, which is a 20-minute module. That should be fairly easy. jQuery will be another module. That's 3 hours. And then we get into the heavy hitting basic front-end development projects. So the nice thing about Free Code Camp is it actually gives you some projects to work on. This element, get started. For our front-end development projects, build a tribute page and build a personal portfolio web page. So it's going to get you to create some content for yourself that you can actually use later on in a portfolio to show present or prospective employers. Then after that, we jump into a basic JavaScript module, and that's 10 hours. And then we will go over some object orientation or oriented and functional programming for 2 hours. Basic algorithm scripting, that's going to be a large one. That's 50 hours. Then we're going to look at JSON, API, and AJAX for 2 hours. And then we have the intermediate front-end development project. That's 100 hours. And in that, we'll build a random quote machine, show the local weather, build a Wikipedia viewer, and use the Twitch TV JSON API. So that should be a very interesting one, because we're going to go out to the internet to glean some information, bring it back, and then we're going to display it on our web page. Then we go into intermediate algorithm scripting for 50 hours. Then we go into advanced algorithm scripting for 50 hours. And then we go into advanced front-end development projects. That'll be 150 hours, and we're going to build a JavaScript calculator, build a Pomodoro clock. I butchered that pronunciation, I apologize. Build a tic-tac-toe game and build a Simon game. And then we'll complete the front-end development certificate. And then we'll go into data visualization certificate. So Sass, and that'll be easy for me because I've used Sass in the past. React, well, I shouldn't say it will be easy. I will have an overview. I shouldn't say it's going to be easy. I don't know what it's going to be like. And then we have React project, so building Markdown previewer, camper leaderboard, recipe box, game of life, and roguelike dungeon crawler game. Then we go into D3, data visualization projects for 200 hours, and then claim your data visualization certificate. Then we have the back-end development certificate, which I'm excited to get into. Automated testing and debugging, Git, Node.js and Express.js, MongoDB, API projects, dynamic web application projects, claim your back-end development certificate. And then we have some video challenges, computer basics, the DOM, JavaScript lingo, Chrome development tools, Big O notation, accessibility, agile, computer science, data visualization, embedded and Internet of Things, game development, gamification, machine learning, math for programmers, mobile JavaScript development, DevOps, software engineering principles, statistics, tools, user experience design, visual design, full stack development certification, non-profit projects. So you can actually go out and help nonprofits and build some websites and some applications for them. Also, you'll be able to put that in your portfolio for prospective employers. Coding interview preparation, mock interviews. So this is the full package deal. They say that it's just about 1,000 hours worth of material to go through. But once you go through it, and it's all self-paced, and it's all free. So this is actually fantastic. Not all the tools that we'll be learning in Free Code Camp will be applicable to what I'm using at my work, but the principles should be transferable. So I'm very excited. Like I said, I've just completed the first module, which is very basic, and I'm going to keep plugging away every night. So I'll go and I'll do my day job, and during the evening I'll be spending right here working at Free Code Camp. The cool thing about Free Code Camp is you also get, I'm just going to bring it up here, a chat that you can interact with other people on the site, ask questions. Just see if that will come up. Doesn't look like it's going to come up for me right at the moment. I'll try to figure that out. But I highly encourage you to check out freecodecamp.com and begin your coding career today. We'll see you in the next one real soon.